All right, third graders, we're back for week 2 to continue our stop motion activity. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to learn a shortcut. First of all, we're going to make our stop motion look like this parade is moving toward us. So if something is really far away, what did you learn in art? What kind of a point does it come to? It should come to like a V, right? The further away, then you have that point at the end, that tip of the V. So we want our character to be small right now. I'm going to go ahead and click on my character here. So it's blue. And can you see my cursor whipping around? I need to make sure I grab the character in the corners because I want to keep the, what's the word? I can't even think the word. Anyway, whatever that word is I'm looking for. I want to keep it properly aligned. So I'm going to go to the corner and I'm going to just move it way down without it flipping. So it's really little and I want to put it down low right here. Okay, so now it looks like it's way down the street. If I click off of it and I'm going to have it move slower. So here's what we do. We want to just duplicate things. It's going to make it way easier so we don't have to do all those steps over and over. So if I go up to slide, I can go duplicate slide. All right, now I'm on the second slide and it looks exactly the same. And what I need to do first is I'm going to click on my balloon and I'm going to get to the corner. And now I'm going to open it just a little bit more, a little bit bigger, right? And I'm going to move it. That's all I have to do. I don't even actually have to move it. I'm just going to leave it right there. Now I'm going to do slide, duplicate. Same thing. I'm going to just make it a little bit bigger. Slide, duplicate. And I'm going to keep doing this. Just make it little steps. You don't want to do it too big at a time because if you do it really big at a time, it doesn't look as great. Slide, duplicate, balloon, a little bigger. Slide, duplicate, balloon, a little bigger. Just not even much. You're going to have a ton of slides. Slide, duplicate, balloon, a little bit bigger. Slide, duplicate, my balloon, a little bit bigger. Slide, duplicate. Now notice my balloon's getting a little off center of my road. So what I'm going to do is when I click on it to duplicate, I'm going to go over to this side now. See if that helps. And slide, duplicate. And I'm going to just keep going. But now what I want to do to be careful is I'm going to start, because it looks like it's getting a lot bigger, but now it looks like it's floating on the road. So the next step is I'm going to not make it as big, but now I'm going to move it up a tidge. Okay, so slide, duplicate, make it a little bit bigger, and up a little bit. Slide, duplicate, a little bit bigger, and up a little bit. But I'm going up a little bit more than what I pulled the corners out with. And this might be my last one that I do here. Slide, duplicate, and now I'm going to go up. All right. So let's see how that looks. I'm going to go up here. And if I use my arrow keys, I can go through quick. Oh, look at my balloon floating. Ah, so exciting. All right, so that's our week 2 task. That's it. I just want you to add that for your stop motion. Good job.